new study tools in Gemini to help you learn more effectively. Now, this one I had no idea was a feature. They've clearly just released it about 10 days ago. And I'm pretty damn curious to learn this actually and go ahead and check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into Gemini. And they've moved, because they've built too many features in here, they put all the tools down in one toolbar here. And you can see guided learning is now one of the tools. Okay, so let's say something that we want to learn. Okay, Google, can you teach me how to change a tire? All right, let's see how that goes. Now, we're using Gemini Pro rather than Gemini Flash. You're going to get richer, more detailed answers with Gemini Pro. If you just want to ask it a quick question in lieu of Googling, Gemini Flash is what you want. But anything that you want it to do a bit of thinking and take its time with an answer, it's really worth waiting the 10 seconds to get an answer. All right, ready to start the first step? Yes. Okay, so it's told me a bit of a breakdown of what we need to prepare and get ready. It's now thinking about it. Okay, so safety is most important. First, you need to be on level, solid ground. What about if I'm on a hill? All right, here's all the things you need. Okay, what's the next step to secure the star before you even get the jack out? Get a big rock and put it under one of the tires. Let's see what it says. I mean, that's how I was taught. So let's see what Google says about that. This looks like, from reading between the lines here, from what I can see, it's taking me through step by step. It's giving me a prompt question at the end of each one. Oh, there we go. It even suggested a rock or a piece of wood. Okay, that's great. Okay, perfect. The car jumped over the rock and rolled down the hill. Help. Let's see what happens if I troll it. That's not what we want to happen. Let's get the lug nuts on our safely parked car. No. It rolled down the hill and hit someone's house. How can I stop any liability issues? Should I run? See, I'm getting silly now. Let's see what Google says, and then I promise I'll move on to the next one. That sounds like a scene from a comedy. It's like nervous laughter from Gemini. Okay, the car isn't going anywhere because we've taken all the right safety steps. Oh, now it's gaslighting me. Okay, so it's getting us back on track. I guess it's taking the perspective of a teacher here, right? I'm the naughty student, and it's bringing me back on track to the actual learning. So well done, Google. I do like this, and I can already think of some ways that my team can use this. I wish can it generate video? Can you generate a video for me to help with the learning? Let's see if it can do that, because that I'm very curious about. If I wanted to really learn something deeply, okay, can't generate a video. Well, what I'd probably do is I'd say, give me a summary of all of the learning steps. And I'd get a summary of all the learning steps from Pro. And then I would put it into Notebook LM. So let's go ahead and jump in, create a new notebook. I'm going to have to paste text before it lets me go further. So let's do that. Okay, great. So I'm going to grab, changing a flat tire. I'm going to copy everything here. Then I'm going to go into my Notebook LM. I'm going to paste the text. Cool. Changing, there we go. I didn't even have to put a title in. It did it for me. That's how smart it is. All right. And from here, I can now create a video overview. And this is one of the new features. I'm going to go ahead and click Video Overview. And it's going to generate a video overview based on all the information that I've put in here. And it should be pretty good because I've only given it one source and one set of information. If this is brand new to you and you're like, oh my God, Pete, what are you even doing? Go to our channel, type in Notebook LM and watch the video on Notebook LM. That's my just basically day one demo on what it is and what it does and how to use it. But once you put information in here, it acts like a little bit of a walled garden where you can prompt and ask questions of that information, like here. What are the essential safety tips for changing a flat tire? And not only will it give you an answer from your data, it will reference the data clearly. So if you've got 100 or 200 different sources here, you can click a button and say, right, where did you get that answer from? So if you're doing research or study or something and you don't want to get BS answers from your LLM, Notebook LM is a really nice way of getting really clear references when you're querying a data set. Hey, here we go. All right, we've got our video overview. Let's see how this goes. Drum roll for Google VO. We've got a thumbs up, thumbs down, just like Caesar in Gladiator. We're going to give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. All right, let's see how it goes.
You know that sound, that awful thump, thump, thump of a flat tire? Ugh, it's a feeling that just sinks your stomach, right? But what if you could replace that dread with actual confidence? Well, today, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We are turning a roadside nightmare into a skill you'll have for life. Look, let's be real, a little bit of panic is totally normal. Your day is suddenly sideways, you're on the side of the road, it's stressful stuff. But here's the thing, panic doesn't fix a tire. A plan does. And that's what this is, a simple, straightforward plan that takes the fear out of the equation
I'm liking this already. This is pretty damn impressive.
and puts you in control. So before we even dream of touching a wrench or a jack, we've got to talk about preparation. This is phase 1. And honestly, it's the most important part of pay attention because this is the biggest pro tip of them all. You have a two-step process. Step 1 is in the trunk. You might be thinking how you tighten the mat there in the first place.
Now, the only thing that
So the
this
car is
is
safely up in the air.
missing at the moment is actual visuals of the thing. You can see here it's got a lot of emojis, and all the videos that my team have generated, this is what it looks like. It's lots of icons, emojis, beautiful text. The design is great, but it's not showing the actual thing. I mean, I would love Google to, show me someone changing a tire, show me the lug nuts, show me the breaker bar, show me the rock behind the wheel. So I think they could do better here, but overall this is seriously impressive.
If you liked this video, we've got plenty more on the channel covering this topic and much, much more.